Hello everyone, we're Team Revirate from Pilani campus, and these are the things that we'll look to cover in this video. So let's start with the problem statement. So when online shoppers of electronic products want to read reviews, they go to current review platforms like Flipkart and Amazon, where they find this huge list of unorganized reviews written in big paragraphs. And so they read only the top 10 to 12 reviews, which gives them a very limited perspective about the product. And a lot of reviews in these top 10 to 12 reviews contain a lot of variation, providing no proper conclusion on which mobile to buy and which one to not. So he goes to websites like GSM Arena, where he gets to read so-called expert reviews, again written in big paragraphs, and this time they contain a lot of technical jargon. So what does he do? He comes to ReviewRate. Who are we? We are a website which aggregates customer reviews and organizes them in a user-friendly way, and at the same time generating meaningful insights and analytics from them. How do we do it? Let's find out. Let's take the example of Apple iPhone 6 Gold 16 GB. Here we have the specifications part, where we provide the specifications of the mobile in a nice organized way. Here we have the analytics part. I'll come back to it later. And here is the reviews part that I talked about. So we take customer reviews from other websites and break them down into pros and cons of the individual features. So for example, if someone wants to read about touchscreen, he can read all about touchscreen, exact everything at one place, and get to know what is the majority opinion about it. We also provide analytics like the overall rating, overall mobile rank, the rank in this price range, and a kind of rough comparison specs of this phone versus common specs of phone in this price range. If you scroll down, combine expert reviews, consumer reviews, value for money, and tell the user okay what is to be done. So here we write everything in user friendly way without using much jargon. You can see we provide the best reviews also, and then we conclude when to buy. For example, there was a recent price cut for iPhone 6, so we suggested to buy. Now let's talk about who are our competitors. There are websites like Amazon and Flipkart who have their own reviews, but they don't organize them the way we do. There are review aggregator websites like TestWeek, but then again, they don't organize them the way we do. There are websites like SmartBricks who try to give the same kind of analytics like we do, but then again, they don't organize reviews the way we do. So we have the first mover advantage. Okay, now let's talk about our product development cycle. So we started to code in around first week of September, and we finished and launched on 8th of November. And in these 2 weeks, we were incorporating the recommendations and fixing the bugs. Like just yesterday, we started a blog which will be used to generate engagement with the readers. So we had taken a survey in around June, and based on that we had made some assumptions. So now it was time to test those assumptions after the launch of our MVP. So we found out that most consumers do in fact read less than 10 reviews, and the problem does exist. But since this was only our MVP, our solution did not completely solve their problem, but based on their feedback, we are going to make improvements. But overall, people like the concept of presenting reviews and analytics in such a way. We also tested these assumptions, and we found that most of them are true. We recently participated at Rajasthan Startup Festival held at Jaipur, where we won third prize among 300 entries, and as the prize we got about rupees 10,000 cash, 3 months of incubation offer at Jaipur, and $1,000 of AWS credits. Okay, now let's talk about the traction that we had in these 2 weeks. So we launched on 8th November, and till 24th November, these are the analytics. We had around 2800 page views by around 500 users, and the bounce rate is a very healthy 30%, which is way lower than the market average of 60 to 70% for review websites. This shows that only 30% of the people who came to a website closed it right away. The others visited around 3 to 4 pages and checked them out, and they stayed there at for around 5 minutes on an average. And the best part is the percentage of returning users. So around 36% of our users return to our website, which shows the proof of concept, which works as a market validation for us. Okay, now let's talk about the revenue that we generated in these 2 weeks. So remember, we had two revenue streams. One was advertising and other was affiliate. So we have, through advertising, we have earned $0.76, which is like 40 rupees in about 675 page views. As you can see, this is different from these page views because initially we had some problem in integrating Google AdSense, but later we made it happen. We can see that a number of impression is approximately thrice the page views. That is because we served up to 3 ads on one page. Let's talk about advertising revenues. On Amazon, we have earned around 138 rupees, and on Flipkart, we haven't earned anything. So our total earnings are close to 160, 170 till now. Okay, so what are our plans after NBC? So we have decided that we'll continue with this initiative, and the short-term plan is to increase the number of followers and per day visitors. We have thought of a few extra features, and later in around mid-December, when the college first yearites are looking to buy laptops, we are gonna expand our website to laptops as well. And the long-term plan is to expand to all the products and compete with the top review websites like GSM Arena and Digit.in, etc. Okay, now how will we go about marketing our product? So first, the basic things is search engine optimization to target the right keywords, and we are looking to follow the path of Facebook, which is to have a strong foothold in the college. So we'll be like the tech advisors of BitChains, and people can request us for reviews of any specific mobile, and we shall do a detailed analysis for them. If they want to talk to someone who has bought the mobile, we'll put them in touch with them, and in this way we'll increase engagement and build credibility. Okay, so what are we looking for? So I'd be honest, at this stage we don't need any funding. We want to use organic marketing methods to grow and achieve stability. For now, we are looking to connect with mentors in this field, like product reviews, e-commerce, electronics, blogs, etc., as we'll be looking to grow fast. For example, anyone who has any startup related to product reviews, or anyone who has contacts in e-commerce companies, so that we can discuss about possible partnerships. For example, they would get our review technology and we would get a platform to promote our website. Or anyone who you know who has a big chain of electronic shops, so that we can cross publicize, or anyone who has a blog and can give us tips for promotion, etc. So currently we are looking for mentors in these fields. Okay, so this is in short the progress that we have till now with reviewrate.in, and hoping to hear back from you. Thank you.